RS Pro offers a range of more than 60,000 products, constantly updated and growing day by day, from automation and control to test and measurement. From tools to motion control, RS Pro products can support most of all industrial needs of designers, maintainers, and engineers. RS Pro products are built on choice, quality, and value, becoming the perfect option when your application requires industry standards, tested quality, and cost reduction. The RS Pro 36-piece VDE over 1000 volt electrician's toolkit comes in a sturdy Raptor toolcase and offers a variety of tools to make a comprehensive kit ideal for professional users. The RS Pro Raptor toolcase is the ideal choice for storing and bringing your tools and components with you, even in harsh environments, thanks to its waterproof IP67 rated design, customizable tool fixing system, impact-resistant material, and soft grip handle. The RS Pro 36-piece electrician's toolkit is designed for professional engineers who work on or around electrically live circuits. The toolkit has VDE certified screwdrivers and pliers, individually tested for up to 1000 volts AC. Plus a set of related additional tools like the 16-ounce claw hammer, the mini hacksaw, a 3-meter tape measure, a cable stripper, a cable cutter, spirit level, the non-contact AC voltage detector, and much more. For more information about the RS Pro 36-piece electrician's toolkit, and to discover all the other application toolkits, visit rspro.com, and don't forget to follow us on YouTube and LinkedIn for up-to-date news.